Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. To replace it, start by releasing and removing the upper ball joint of the sway bar links. To do this, use a 15mm spanner. Remove the nut. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. To do this, take a 15mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Stop the rotation with the Allen key and remove the nut using the spanner. Remove the nut. It may be necessary to lift the wheel knuckle to be able to pull the sway bar links out properly.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar links. Put it into the lower housing. Then insert the upper part. Lower the jack. Tighten the lug nuts using a 17mm spanner. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.